Food Patrol gives honest reviews of local spots. And today we're at Hood Burgerju in Ljubljana on Celovški cesti. Atmosphere and comfort. Outside there are seats under umbrellas and a children's playground nearby. The team tried to create an American diner vibe from the 80s. Inside, there's a pavilion with an open kitchen, neon signs. But for me, it's missing the little details that would really make the style pop. So here it's an 8. Service. There are no waiters here. It's self-service. So I won't be rating this category. Price versus quality. Burgers range from 7.9 to 12.4. 2 nuggets cost 4.5. Bacon is 1.9. Jalapenos are 1.9. Honestly, the prices are high, especially for add-ons. Bacon and jalapenos for the same price? And burgers don't come with fries at this price point. This one gets a 7. Food. I ordered the Big Hood Burger. Here it is. Looks not great. Taste? Good. But again, no fries. Hood Burger is stingy with the fries. And they gave me just 1 napkin, already smeared with burger sauce. Not a good look. This one gets an 8. Cleanliness and hygiene. I came in the morning before the rush. It was clean, including the restroom, which also had a baby changing table. However, there were some boxes lying around. Maybe the renovation isn't finished. This gets a 9. Uniqueness and overall impression. Honestly, no wow factor. I think the design is unfinished and lacks details to really nail the 80s diner style. It's fine for a quick bite, nothing more. This gets a 7. So, the overall Food Patrol rating for Hood Burger is 7.8 out of 10.